Hello everybody, today I'd like to tell you 5 things you must know about Tokyo Disneyland in 2024. Are you up to go to Tokyo Disneyland in 2024? You have to watch this video since it's very important information here. I'm Japanese going to Disney Resort every month, so please watch this until the end of this video. So let's get started. What is this video for? Are you planning to go to Tokyo Disneyland in 2024? I will give you the latest park information, which is very important to know before you go. So here's today's contents. What's hot in January? Park tickets, crowd congestion, new merchandise, temporary closure of rides. So let's get started. First, what's hot in January? So here's the schedule for January. So what you have to know is New Year's event will be held from 1st January until 8th January. The final day for New Year's event. It's very fun. If you come to the New Year's event, you can enjoy Japanese New Year's. On the 9th, the release day for Minnie's Wonderland merchandise souvenir. 10th, the new event for Minnie's Wonderland starts. On 12th, closing time will be 6:30 p.m. On the 18th, the release day for new merchandise. On 23rd, the release day for Tokyo Disney Resort 40th anniversary grand finale merchandise souvenir. On 26th, closing time will be 6:30. 30th, closing time will be 7 p.m. So please be careful. The closing time, official closing time will be 9 p.m. but 12, 26, 30 will be different. So let's look at the detail bit. New Year's at Tokyo Disney Resort. It's New Year's greeting. As I told you, Mickey Mouse will be coming wearing traditional Japanese New Year's costume along with his Disney friends and great guests to celebrate the beginning of New Year's. This event will be held around park-wide and parade route. Duration will be 25 minutes. I really like it. At this time I will go to see Mickey and Mickey friends, so this will be a very fun time. The schedule will be 12 p.m. So here's a parade route. It's in the middle. You can see the castle, and the parade will be started from the haunted mansion on the left. It will be coming to the center of it, and then it's going to the Toontown. If you wait around this pink line, you can watch this. So let's go there. And do you know what this is? This is a New Year's dish for Japan. You can eat Japanese traditional New Year's dish at restaurant Hokusai from 1st to 8th January only. So this restaurant is a really Japanese restaurant. You need to reserve it before go there. The new Minnie's event starts. As I told you, the new event will be started from 10th. What is this called? It's a Disney Palooza Minnie's Wonderland from 10th January to 19th March. What you should watch is a parade. It's called Minnie's Wonderland. Area would be park-wide, parade route, and castle forecourt. A duration would be 35 minutes. In this parade, Minnie and her Disney friends appear on a glittering float adorned with big boats, dressed in charming outfits featuring heart-shaped accessories and polka dots. Guests are invited to join the fun with Minnie and her pals by clapping and dancing along the upbeat pop music. This will be very much fun, and you can buy DPA. Do you know what it is? It's special seats with 2,500 yen. So you can reserve a seat if you pay 2,500 yen. So here's a parade route actually. So as I told you about the New Year's greeting, it's the same. It's from Haunted Mansion on the left above, and it comes in the center, and it goes away to the Toontown. Here's a pink line and a yellow line. If you see at the yellow line, the float will be stopped and you can enjoy dancing together with many friends. It's in the left and the center and on the right side. So here's the schedule for January. It will be started from 3:45 p.m. Please enjoy it. So here's the appearance of the park. You can see the pink things, covered with Minnie's ribbon and her costumes. Yeah, it's very cute, right? And here's the entrance of Tokyo Disneyland. You can see the Minnie's flowers. And ordinary events, here's the Disney Harmony Color in January. It will be started from 2 p.m. From 1st to 9th, 10th to 29th, and 31st, that will be 1 p.m. and 30th, that will be 11:45. This show is a must watch. Next, Mickey's Magical Music World. The schedule will be different up to the day, so please watch it. And what you have to know is 9th and 10th, this will be closed. If you want to watch this show, you need to do a entry request once you entered into the park, and you have to get the seat. Or you can get to the theater and you can queue up for this to get the seat for the second floor. This one will be you can watch this without tickets. Next, Cloud Mile Speed. So as you can see, the time will be different up to the day you go, and this one's also you need to get the seat tickets. But if you don't have it, you can go up to the theater maybe 1 hour before the show starts, and you can queue up for there and you can get a seat maybe. Next, Tokyo Disneyland Electrical Parade Dream Lights. This one's also different up to the day you go, and 12th, this will be closed, so please be careful. Sky Full of Colors, this one is fireworks. You need to watch is 12th, 26th, 30th. This one will be closed. Fireworks is normally very difficult to do due to the weather condition. So it's normal that this one will be cancelled. It's quite lucky if you watch this. 2. Park tickets. So here's the park tickets information. It's January. It's from 7,900 to the 10,900 yen. So it's quite different after the day you go, and here's much more clear. And from 1st to 3rd and the 6th, 7th, that will be 10,900 yen. And the 4th and 5th, that will be 9,400 and 8,900. And normally, like weekdays, will be 7,900. It's very cheap, right? And on Saturday from 13th, that'll be 9,900, and Sunday from 14th, that'll be 9,400. So it's like, if you go from 1st to 3rd and the 6th and 7th, that will be very crowded. Number 3, crowd congestion. As I told you at the ticket price is kinda, meaning of how crowded it is. And it's like 1st to 3rd and the 6th, 7th, 9th, 13th, 20, 27, 23rd. That'll be, very crowded, I guess. And 4, 5, 8, 10, 14th, 15th, 21st, 22nd, 28th, 29th. That will be, a bit crowded. And normally, like weekdays, that would be okay. You can enjoy it without a crowd. I really recommend to get at 11th, 12th, 16th to 19th, and 24th to 26th, and 30th. But I really want to go is the 23rd, since the new merchandise for 40th anniversary grand finale merchandise will be sold. It's very exciting, really. Number 4, Priority Pass. I think you really want to know about this. What is Priority Pass? This service, available free of charge, allows guests to select eligible experiences and enter the venue at a specified time and enjoy the selected experience with a reduced wait time. Please use the Tokyo Disney Resort app for this service. So it's kinda you have to get into the park in the very early morning, and you need to get it. This chart shows what time the pass was out of. It's a quite recent days. 27th December, the Pooh's Honey Hunt 11:30, and 28th December, that was the 11th. So the Pooh's Honey Hunt, you need to get it until 11th. Monsters Inc. 12 p.m. Haunted Mansion will be out of at 1 p.m. Space Mountain will be at noon. Buzz Lightyear also at noon. Big Thunder Mountain will be 11:30. Star Tours will be 1 p.m. You need to get it. So I do recommend you need to get Pooh's Honey Hunt, and then if you have a time, you can get Haunted Mansion or Star Tours. So here is the rule for the another priority pass. Guests can obtain a 40th anniversary priority pass for another experience 120 minutes after obtaining their last 40th anniversary priority pass, or after the start time of their last 40th anniversary priority pass, whichever is earlier. So if you get a priority pass in the very early morning and the early starting time, you can get another one and another one and another one. Yeah, it's very good, right? Fifth, temporary closure of rides. So some rides will be closed in January. I will give you the detail. First, Swiss Family Tree House, Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast, and Haunted Mansion, Peter Pan's Flight, and Mark Twain's Riverboat, Pooh's Honey Hunt. The most, popular attraction at the moment in the park is the Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. So if you miss this, that will be kind of disaster. So please get it before 9th or after 25th. So that's all for today's information. Did you understand about the Tokyo Disneyland in 2024? If you have to go there, please note this all information. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at Tokyo Disneyland. And please subscribe my channel, and please subscribe my TikTok and Instagram as well. And if you have any question about Disneyland, please give me on the comment, and I will give you as quickly as I can. And if the question is very difficult for me, maybe I cannot answer, but I'll try to give you a reply. And I hope you have a wonderful time in Japan as well. And see you next time. See you in the next video. So bye bye.